I have great news for you. I found out how to free you from your aches and pains. Since 2002, I've been pressing my nails into every itch or pain I felt. Each time, I found the pain in my skin and I crushed it away using grooming techniques. We all have aches and pains that cannot be cured by medicine, chiropractic, massage, acupuncture, etc., and we resort to painkillers to relieve them. I'm talking about pain in the neck, in the knee, in the arm, in the foot, in the shoulder, bellyaches, backaches, headaches, etc. In fact, doctors don't know what causes the pain. You only need to groom your skin for a few minutes to find out that your pain originates from permanent folds in your skin. These folds crisscross your body from head to toes, and they are the source of your aches and pains. Even if you think that your pain comes from muscles, organs, bones or cartilage beneath the skin, you will easily locate it inside the folds of your skin when you groom it with your fingertips and nails. Folds are painful because skin is packed with free nerve endings and pain receptors. Folding it feels like pinching it continuously and can produce acute and stinging pain. To relieve the pain and tension in the folds, you want to crush the skin using the most effective grooming technique, pressure strokes. Press your nail into your skin. Increase the pressure. Keep this position for several seconds. Then, release the pressure. Repeat this procedure over and over while refining your aim for the center of your pain. Don't forget that your pain is located far beneath in the folds of your skin, so any detail you feel on the surface is irrelevant. Press your nail down as deeply as you can and try to reach the pain. You want to plow and flatten the skin with your nails until it becomes supple, malleable, and painless once again. To speed up the process, use all 4 fingers as much as you can and groom with both hands simultaneously. You'll notice that your skin is hard and resists the push of your nail in areas where it covers the bones, while it is supple and deeply penetrable elsewhere. In fact, you'll find deep caverns where your nail can enter up to half an inch. That's where your pain resides. The skin has folded itself in between the bony plates and is now entangled in the mechanism of the joint, and that explains the pain that you feel. Freeing the skin will remove all pain, but it will take some time and effort. The same applies everywhere on your body. In the neck and shoulder area, you'll discover that your skin has interweaved itself around every detail of your spine and bone structure. Repeatedly crushing the skin with your nail will liberate it and eliminate the pain. Every joint on your body is strangled by folds. You'll find compressed folds on one side and stretched ones on the other, but the folds are actually circular. These folds are constricting your articulations like permanent rubber bands. Every time you flex the joint, the skin that lies over it gets stretched, compressed, and pinched by the moving parts. Groom the articulation until you free the skin. Muscles, tendons, and organs don't hurt. Even muscular cramps aren't muscular. It's your skin that's causing the ache. If pain appears somewhere while you're walking, working, or exercising, stop and investigate it. You'll find the pain right there in your skin, not beneath it. Groom the pain away and resume your activities. Hundreds of illnesses are not illnesses. They're the result of not grooming an area. If the skin had been groomed, no disorder would have occurred. Arthritis is a good example. Folds are not only painful, they block nervous transmission by bending the nerves, and they reduce blood flow by flexing the blood vessels. Grooming takes some courage because you have to press your nails directly into your pain. But you better face the pain now than to endure it and let it get worse. Even if the pain comes and goes and only bothers you once in a while, grooming the area will prevent its reappearance. You've been ignoring your itches and pains all your life. As soon as you feel the slightest pain anywhere on your body, you're supposed to respond immediately with your fingertip and nail in search of its cause. Explore the aching region to locate the pain and place your nail where it hurts the most. Most people don't even know where their pain is located because they've never searched for it. When you find it, make a mental note of its location. You will probably find out that the pain you feel comes from more than one spot and that these painful spots are linked by lines. In fact, these lines are folds and the spots are fold crossings. The skin becomes so tense at fold crossings that it produces a sharp pain that hinders your movements. The folds and their crossings form a grid all over your body so that any movement you make pulls on the neighboring crossings. Anytime you feel pain, locate it with your nail and you will discover a fold crossing. Concentrate your grooming efforts on the fold crossings by repeatedly crushing them with your nails. When you locate your pain inside your skin, you stop worrying about its origins. If you groom it correctly, the pain will never return to haunt you. But if you groom recklessly, you can hurt yourself. Be cautious and test groom. Try grooming an area several times a day, but for short periods. Only you can find and relieve your pain, so don't let anyone groom you. Water softens the skin, so grooming it when it's wet is much easier. If you strike blood, stop working there until it heals. You will find many other grooming techniques on my website. The next time you feel pain, place your finger where it hurts and take control of your pain. Have a pain-free day. Thanks and good grooming.